We know the step number 5 was to improve the external activities. We see the example number 3, bringing the maintenance equipment, tool and pump, in which the maintenance guy was collecting all the things. So if he's doing it offline now, but still he's spending 20 minutes to collect all the things from different corners and everything. But if we would have one maintenance trolley for this maintenance particularly, he need not to collect from different areas and different equipments, but he would have always one trolley ready where everything is there and he's just bringing. So he can save his time also for collecting different equipment from different areas. Similarly, the activity number 11, though we have externalized this activity, now this is done when the machine is running, but still the time spent by our operator is still the 25 minutes. We can reduce his effort, which is the aim of this step to improve the external activity, if we train the worker to do the whole inspection, so that we need not to go far away to the quality department, wait for the result and then go back again there and bring the parts back. We can eliminate all these things if we train him, and if we place the equipment for the measurement or microscope near the furnace, so that he need not to go there. He has the training, he fills the form, protocol, everything, whatever the quality department is doing, he can do that himself. This is how we can reduce his work.